Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.